This is an emergency. The President of the United States has just enacted a sweeping tariff policy, effective immediately, on almost all international trade. Markets are reacting fast. This could trigger a large-scale collapse. If you're exposed and unprepared, you're at risk, a serious risk. But there is a way to act on this moment. We offer trading challenges for a fee. If you pass, you gain access to a large, fully funded account. This lets you keep your own capital safe, while still having the chance to profit from the chaos. A $99 challenge could unlock a $10,000 account. You can keep up to 90% of the profits. If you understand where this economy is headed, this opportunity is for you. Go to our profile. You'll figure it out from there.